हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू ProTalent एंड आई एम नितिन परमार। आई एम श्योर आप सब लोग खुश होंगे, मजे में होंगे। दोस्तों, आज के इस मॉड्यूल में वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी एडमिशंस। क्या क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी के एडमिशन की डेट्स आ चुकी है? अभी तक नहीं, ठीक है, पर आई बिलीव इन द नेक्स्ट 10 to 15 days they will be out. Okay, and thereby this module will give you a kind of proactive understanding about Christ University. Okay, दोस्तों ये मॉड्यूल आपके पास आ रहा है ProTalent के स्पेशल एड प्रो मॉड्यूल के द्वारा। एड प्रो दैट मीन्स एडमिशन प्रोसेस काउंसलिंग मॉड्यूल बाय ProTalent। तो एड प्रो के जितने भी मॉड्यूल आते हैं उनको देखना भूलिएगा मत, ठीक है। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं CUET के बारे में, विच इज क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी एंट्रेंस टेस्ट। देयर इज वन मोर एग्जाम। जब आप गूगल पे सर्च करते हैं, आप CUET लिखने जाएंगे, आपसे गलती से CET ऑटोमेटिकली वो ले लेगा, यस और नो, ठीक है। तो CUET is a different exam that is for चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी। ओके, दिस इज CUET। ओके, ठीक है दोस्तों, आज ये मैं पूरा मॉड्यूल बताऊंगा आपको क्राइस्ट के बारे में। अगर आपके मन में कोई और कॉलेज के बारे में पूरी जानकारी एक से लेने की इच्छा हो तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए। आई विल बी इन अ पोजिशन टू मेक स्पेशल मॉड्यूल फॉर यू फॉर दैट। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट टू डिस्कस अबाउट क्राइस्ट। ओके, क्राइस्ट बहुत पुराना नाम है, ठीक है। आज के ज़माने में अगर हम बात करें तो उसका नेक एक्रीडिटेशन ए ग्रेड का है, ठीक है। वाइल NIRF रैंकिंग के अंदर, NIRF रैंकिंग के अंदर लॉ कॉलेजेस के अंदर टॉप 20 में आता है, BBA में टॉप 5 में आ जाता है, क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी में टॉप 3 में आ जाता है, ठीक है। सो दैट मीन्स द कॉलेज, दैट इज द यूनिवर्सिटी, देयर एकेडमिक सिस्टम इज सुपर, ठीक है। दैट्स वाई द रैंकिंग्स आर सो गुड। ओके, विच मीन्स if you are looking at your great career, ठीक है, during your undergrad program, this university will be a stepping stone to get into this university, ठीक है। there is one exam which is called CUET which you have to appear for. It is not just CUET which is a deciding factor, but CUET plus few other parameters. I will discuss about that in a few minutes, but before that you can say let's discuss about what are the varieties of the programs available at this university. As the name suggests, it's a university, so which means it has all the varieties of the programs available, whether it is management, commerce, science, ठीक है, IT, engineering, okay, mass communication, theater science, ठीक है, music, all programs are available. In today's session, I will restrict my discussion to humanities, social science, commerce, management, law. I'm not getting into a discussion of science, engineering, theater, music, and education. Okay, ठीक है, I'm not getting into that. So they have total 179 courses, ठीक है, in 10 different streams. Okay, so when I talk about commerce, within commerce, there are 5 to 7 different courses available. Commerce with that is BCom with financial accounting and you can say stock market related program, purely BCom, or let's say BBA with economics. A lot of such kind of programs are available. Okay, we are going to discuss about again all those programs. Okay, first and foremost about the qualification. What is the eligibility criteria needed for Christ University? On an average, Christ University has a different qualification for different programs. Only the difference could be some percentage in your 10th and 12th. However, if you are scoring above 60 in both, you can say 10th and 12th, or in your 11th, I think you are eligible. You are not required to worry too much about it. However, if you are going for some special courses, like let's say you are coming from social science and you want to take up, let's say a history course, or let's say psychology course, ठीक है, and possibly you can say you don't have that kind of background, then there may be some problem in the interview. However, you can anyway apply. Okay, that's not a major trouble. Okay, international board students, international curriculum students can also apply to Christ University, ठीक है। For them, you can say their grade should be above C. Here, approximately 60%. But make sure that you know that you get to know about the eligibility criteria directly from the Christ website once the new notifications are out. So far, no, the new notifications are not out. Okay, great. What is the process of selection process? varies from program to program. Some programs only have interview. Some programs have micro presentation and interview. Some programs have skill assessment, interview and micro presentation. And some program have, you can say, entrance test, skill assessment, PI and micro presentation. I hope you get this clearly in your mind. If you are applying for BBA program and the law program, then you must go through all four, you can say, parameters. Okay? But if you are going for, let's say, psychology, economics, mass media kind of major, possibly you are required to go through these three parameters, which is skill assessment, personal interview and micro presentation. Okay? Otherwise, in most of the other programs, you have entrance test as well. Entrance test is just like normal other entrance tests like BBA ka entrance exam or law ka entrance exam on the similar line. Okay, okay. I will come back, you can say, to the syllabus in great detail in few minutes, but you can say there is entrance test, okay, which you must clear. Okay, once the students clear entrance test, then they will be going for next steps. Entrance test is important. In the last 2 years, due to COVID-19 situation, entrance tests were conducted at your place. That means you can appear for Christ University entrance test at your home. But I believe this year they may be in a position to conduct in an offline mode. Okay, when they are conducting it in an offline mode, they may possibly give you center in your own city. There is a good possibility for that. Okay, we'll have to wait and watch how the Omicron, okay, which is a 15th letter in the Greek alphabet, okay, how Omicron, you can say, shapes up. But I believe the scenario would be better for the country like India, where we have so much of vaccination. Okay, the problem is when the countries are not fully vaccinated, they have, you can say, many, you can say, kind of variant available, and those variants become concern for us. Anyway, coming back to this, CUET, skill assessment, personal interview and micro presentation. This is what the examination all about. And obviously your 10th 12th marks, ठीक है, आप में से बहुत सारे बच्चों के पास 12th के मार्क्स नहीं होंगे, but that's okay. ठीक है, if you are appearing in 12th standard, ठीक है, आपके 11th के मार्क्स दिखे जाएंगे. You need some good score in 10th and 11th to get into the campus, which are top campuses like Bangalore campus, okay, Central campus. Okay, you need good score in your 10th and 11th. They are very clear about it. Okay, so they say if the students are not having 10th and 11th in a good way, they are saying कि भैया बड़ी परेशानी है. At the same time, another important factor जो आपको ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है, कि ये जो you can say क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी की जब आप तैयारी करते हैं, ठीक है, जब आप उसकी एग्ज़ाम देने की कोशिश करते हैं, ठीक है, आपके पास बहुत सारे you can say अलग अलग तरीके के एजेंट्स कॉल करेंगे. ध्यान रखना, there is no capitation fee in Christ University. ठीक है, there are no agents who can put you into the Christ University. ठीक है, तो भैया उनसे दूर रहिए. ठीक है, बिल्कुल गलत है. ठीक है, बिल्कुल गलत है. Okay, now there are 5 campuses. ठीक है, every campus has a different set of courses and different streams. Okay, like let's say for example, digital analytics or business analytics course is available only at Pune Lavasa. Okay, ठीक है, Pune Lavasa doesn't have a normal BBA course as well. Okay, while your Bangalore Central campus, Bannerghatta, Kangeri and Delhi has a normal BBA course as well. Okay, so you have to be very careful when you apply. ठीक है, to Christ University, different programs requires different application. Okay, you have to pay separate money for different applications. However, when you apply for BBA, so within the BBA application, you have different campuses to choose. Okay, you have 3 options to choose, 3 preferences you have to provide. Okay, that is every year. Okay, that's every year. You have to wait and watch what is the new process they are adopting this year. Okay, you may be wondering, okay, sir, when you are talking about a great NIRF ranking, NEC accreditation to the grade of A, what is the placement of, you can say, this university? I believe placement is wonderful. In fact, you can say they have their placement office since 1997. Okay, and they are able to ensure more than 170 plus organizations coming to Christ University for recruiting UG students from different streams. Okay, these are the few of the top recruiters at Christ University. So you must be ready with that mind कि भैया मुझे यहाँ पे तो मेहनत करके जाना है. Now, CUET is the very important point for you, because we are sitting in the month of December and you may be wondering that, let's say I want to appear for April examination. What are the varieties of this section and how do I need to prepare for it? Due to COVID situation, examination pattern have undertaken many changes. Okay, but the pattern which I am showing you in front of you, okay, like this is for LLB program and BBA program. This is for BCom program. Okay, they have different, you can say, kind of you can say examination structure. Okay, on an average you get 2 hours and 120 questions. The sections are fundamental accounting, which is of your 11-12 standard, English language comprehension skills plus verbal ability, which involves vocab, synonyms, antonyms, analogies, fill in the blank, comprehension skills, some grammar based questions, majorly GK, current affair will be very less, quantitative aptitude, numerical ability and fundamental, you can say mathematical operation based questions are 20, critical, analytical and logical reasoning, which means verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning, 25 questions, data analysis and data interpretation would be 20. You may be wondering, some of the law students may be wondering that whether there are law questions are there or not, there are any questions coming from legal aptitude or not. Majorly not. Okay, keep that in mind. While if you are going for BCom, you have fundamental accounting, 20 questions. The questions have been doubled. Quantitative aptitude, data analysis, GK, English, rest of the things remain same, 20, 20, 20. Okay, so once again, 120 questions, 120 mark and 2 hour paper. Okay, okay. Now, the fundamental accounting comprises of 11-12 standard MCQ based questions. I'm sure टर्म 1 की तैयारी में आपने इसकी तैयारी करी होगी. Yes or no? So when you are ready with term 1 paper, you are ready for this exam as well. बिल्कुल. However, term 2 का कुछ पोर्शन भी आएगा, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं आएगा. 11th के भी क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. ओके, ठीक है. बाकी इंग्लिश, जीके, कॉन्ट, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग, डेटा एनालिसिस एंड इंटरप्रिटेशन जो हम यहाँ पे आपको यूट्यूब चैनल पे करवाते हैं वही आपको पूरा का पूरा मिलेगा. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू गिव यू फुल सपोर्ट फॉर इट. ओके, ठीक है दोस्तों, ये रहा आपका सिलेबस. 11-12 का अकाउंटिंग आरसी में, ठीक है, पैराग्राफ, उसके ऊपर से कुछ क्वेश्चंस, स्पेलिंग्स, idioms and phrases, jumbled sentences, fill in the blank, grammar, synonyms, antonyms, identify error, one word substitution, all these varieties will be part and parcel of it. ठीक है, I'm sure आप वो तैयारी कर रहे होंगे. प्रो टैलेंट की तरफ से तगड़ी तैयारी हो रही होगी आपके लिए. ये सुनो, ठीक है दोस्तों, प्रो टैलेंट के मॉड्यूल को कंप्लीट करिए. वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग यू लॉट ऑफ गुड क्वालिटी कंटेंट, ठीक है, जिसको आप रेगुलरली फॉलो करेंगे आपको बड़ा फायदा होगा. मैथमेटिक्स इज मोर ऑफ अरिथमेटिक, एल्जिब्रा एंड सम पार्ट ऑफ ज्योमेट्री. ठीक है, मॉडर्न मैथ्स लाइक परम्यूटेशन, कॉम्बिनेशन, प्रोबेबिलिटी मे बी देयर. Okay, but majorly it is all about arithmetic, and same is the case your data interpretation, tables, bar graph, pie chart, line graph, ठीक है, which contains concepts of arithmetic, percentage, ठीक है, growth, simple interest, compound interest, ratio, proportion, mixtures, ठीक है, reasoning comprises of, you can say, non-verbal reasoning, series, coding, decoding, blood relationship, ठीक है, direction sense questions, ठीक है, analogies, those kind of questions, verbal reasoning like syllogism, critical reasoning, ठीक है, those kind of questions will be there. In GK, they are very much clear that they want to ask some questions from constitution, some questions from sports, some questions from UN bodies, some questions from environment agreements, some questions related to international events, national events, ठीक है, awards, eminent personalities. That's what you have to prepare for. I hope it is clear for you. Yes, this is your syllabus. So this is December month. You must start working hard for your, you can say, this syllabus. ProTalent channel has all this content available. Please go through that. We are going to bring new content for BBA program as well. Okay, so don't miss out on it. If you are going for law program, anyway, a lot of content is already available. Okay, okay. So what are the kind of different courses being offered? There is BCom, there is BCom Honors, there is BCom Finance and Accountancy, BCom International Finance, and BCom Strategic Finance. I have given fee structure as well. Okay, this is rough fee structure, and last year's, you can say, application dates are mentioned. Last year they had to come up with another round in the month of June, which is quite late. Okay, okay. So that means they had to bring a lot of rounds due to COVID. I believe this year they don't have that kind of problem. Okay, so that means they will have at least, you can say, 3 rounds. One round will be in the month of February, other round will be in the month of April, the third round will be in the month of May. Every round have the same process. Okay, once you are selected in one round, okay, you may possibly, you can say, wish to appear for second round, up to you. Generally कोई करेगा नहीं, but still, ठीक है, if you are not selected in the first round, you have all the options to appear for the further round. Okay, ठीक है, there are different programs. Okay, whatever the names they have mentioned, they have different courses within the course. Okay, so make sure that you go through all these courses first, all the subjects in the course, and then take a decision that whether you are interested in a pure BCom or a BCom Honors or in a BCom Finance and Accountancy. Though there is a small difference. Let's say Honors program has some dissertation activity, Finance and Accounting BCom will have more focus on stock market finance. Okay, BCom International Finance will have a lot of international finance related issues and so on and so forth. Okay, if you look at BBA, they have a different program called BBA Business Analytics, BBA in FinTech. That's a new course. My dear students, the future of finance world lies in FinTech. Okay, few universities have started giving these FinTech courses. One of them is Christ, other is your Symbiosis. Symbiosis has started to give you FinTech course, and that's the future, I believe, in the world of finance. Okay, and that's what you have to work on. Okay, you can possibly plan FinTech course today, and after 3 years, okay, your future would be very different. BBA, Finance and Accountancy, BBA in Finance and International Business. These are the kind of programs available in BBA. Law program, they have BA LLB, BBA LLB. Okay, that's how the program they have available with. Okay, so they have, again, say, different campuses, and those campuses have both program BA plus BBA LLB. Okay, so you want to take BA LLB, your choice, BBA LLB, your choice. Generally BA LLB is a tougher, okay, exam to crack. Okay, BBA is easy. Okay, okay. Some of you may be interested in a pure BA program like communication, media, English, psychology, or in economics, or possibly BSc honors in psychology, or BA honors in psychology, or BA honors in English. These are also wonderful courses. Dosto, the students who are from science background and they want to go for BSc psychology, okay, that is possible. People from humanities or commerce background, they can get BA honors in psychology. So psychology course is available for both streams, commerce and humanities, as well as for science stream, and there are 2 different paths. Okay. However, in a BSc psychology, you are studying psychology from scientific point of view. Okay. In BA psychology, you study from social angle. Okay. BA economics is also one of the wonderful program. Okay. Okay. So these are the programs where you can apply. Okay. I hope it is very clear. I have given you BBA, BCom, law course and BA courses. ठीक है. So my dear students, उसके अलावा they have a tourism program, ठीक है, that is also a good option available, ठीक है, and then you have another program, ठीक है, which are related to, you can say, economics, mathematics, statistics, music, psychology, English, history, economics, political science, ठीक है, history, English, political science, psychology, sociology, economics. So these are the mixed courses, ठीक है, they have available. I believe these courses are giving a lot of benefit to the students, because not all students may be interested in pure psychology. They want to study psychology, but they want to take up economics. They want to take sociology as well. Then this is a wonderful program available. Yes or no? Because you have, you can say, 3 different streams. They are interdependent, and you are studying about all of them, and possibly you are sensitized about all these 3 streams, and in your master's course you have a choice to make, and you can take a right choice. That is wonderful. Okay, I hope it is very clear. Great. Okay, so make sure that you are aware about all these programs. Okay, so my dear students, ProTalent has a wonderful program available for CUET. It's a regular online course which you can take. You want to take our test series for, you can say, other BBA entrance exam like CUET, Symbiosis, Narsimonji, you can very well take this program. Or you want to take all, you can say, IIM IPM and all BBA entrance examination, that is BBA MBA entrance examination. Feel free and join our online test series, or you can join our online classroom program. Okay, ठीक है. I have given all proper links in this video's description. Don't miss out to join our programs. Okay, I hope in this module for 20 minutes I have given you complete idea about Christ University entrance test. So we are waiting for the examination to come in, the notification to be out, and then I will come back here and give you complete information about it. Okay, thank you, and don't miss out to subscribe our channel and like this video. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.